Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find your workspace/vault location on your device through the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this, guys. So head over to your vault/workspace inside the Obsidian Notes app, and let's assume you don't know where you have saved it or exported on your device, and I would like to find out the location of the directory of the given workspace. To do that, left click into the selected vault in the bottom left, click into manage vaults here, and then guys, here on the left hand side you will see the list of all vaults and workspaces within your account. Click into these three dots, and then guys, you will see this option, reveal vault in System Explorer. So let me do that and show you where you will be redirected to that folder here with the given to that folder or vault. As you can see, you see the path here at the top, so that you can now memorize the location or directory. And here you will see basically the entire content of your workspace or vault with all folders and canvases, notes saved here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.